Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you a remix. I decided to use this remix pack on Label Radar. By the way, a really cool track in disco style. I like it a lot, and I decided to make a remix. I don't know if I will take part in this contest. Maybe yes, but I don't know with maybe with this remix that I will show you soon. I don't know, but you can take part in this remix contest too. You can download these stems. By the way, I tested this feature. You can just follow this project, this music band on Spotify, or subscribe to their letter. Don't forget these stems will alive just for 5 days, and today is March 16, and rush to download these stems. Okay, let me show you this remix, and I'll explain what I used here and how I made this sampling, something like that. So it sounds something like this, and let me show you what I made here. First of all, we have a kick, sounds something like that. We have a clap, it consists of 2 layers. Here we have a loop, and we have this complex loop. Also we have a tambourine. Here I made a bit quiet to make this something like that. Not so big volume. Also we have bass. This bass consists 2 layers. I used something like real guitar as preset. And also I used sub bass. The same notes. I decided to make this bass because I made something like a sampling of this track. By the way, these stems that I downloaded on the remix competition page, these stems, something like separate stems like a kick, main percussion, bass, etc., piano, strings, and decided to make something like that. So let me make a filter on. We have these parts. And I decided to make something like that. I cut these parts and make something like a cycle, here, and it sounds like that. It's something like a sampling, yeah, and I decided to make it. By the way, as you see, I made a cycle here. It's something like just let me show you, something like a loop, just playing again and again and again, and I made it for these parts, for intro part, for first part of the first breakdown, for these parts in the breakdown, also in outro part. Then these stems are playing with a bit another melody, like in the original track. And it sounds really cool. I decided to make a disco house, and the most of disco house tracks are produced like that, like sampling from the old songs, or maybe the songs are making maybe in this year, I don't know, but this track I think maybe was released in 2024, I guess, at least, and I like a lot these sounds, and I decided to use these cuts, something like that. And I decided to make here something like full stems with using a kick from original track, main percussion and bass. And we have a full loop, full circle, something like this, in this part of the breakdown. It's something like a culmination of this track in the breakdown. Yeah, on the drop we have looped stems, and I decided to make this bass using these cuts. Something like a circle. And this bass sounds like that, something like a circle loop, and this part we have something like a full melody that we have in this track, in the original track. Yeah, also we have vocals. I decided to cut some parts. I didn't use full vocals. This vocal part I used something like a part of this loop. Yeah, and here we have, by the way, also circle or a loop of this vocal. Yeah, sounds really cool, I like it. And we have here sort of like a string. Also we have a FX section. There are a lot of affixes, something like yeah, something like that. Anyway, what do you think about this remix, guys? I don't know, maybe I will take part in this participation, this remix contest. I don't know, maybe with this remix, maybe I'll change something. Anyway, I'll upload this project to my Patreon and Boosty. You can easily check what I used in this track. I don't know, maybe you want to make something like a disco house, but didn't know how to make it before. I don't know. Anyway, feel free to check my description part. I'll leave all the links to the remix contest, to this project, and maybe to some disco house samples. I don't know, maybe I will make some of them. And don't forget, you have just 5 days and 9 hours, maybe 4 days, because I'm recording this video a bit earlier, because on Sunday you have outdated content. Yeah, so hurry up to download these stamps. Anyway, what do you think? And Menche was here. Bye bye, guys.